Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can able to bring your existing Glue data catalog within the SageMaker Unified Studio. So let's get started. So I'm here in my publisher demo project. So you will be, and within the publisher demo project, I will be going into data source. Once I'm here into data source, I will be going and clicking on the create data source, and I'm looking to bring the self service DB. And so let me show you how that self-service DB look like in very first place itself. I will go into here, look for the self-service DB. Within the self-service DB, I'm having this multiple tables, right? So I'm having this total 8 tables. I will be going and bringing those tables in here. So what we need to do is we have to select the Glue DB, and then within the Glue DB we need to provide the database name here. So we will be looking to provide the self-service DB. So let me copy it from here, so I will be ensuring I'm not making any mistake in the name. So yes, here is the self-service DB. I have just copied this name here. Cool. And once you are here, you will be going and just keep this table as star. So we'll be looking to include all the tables. So we will be going next. Click on next. Once you're done clicking the next, you will be like, hey, asking you looking to publish. We're not looking to publish, we're just looking to bring it on. And once done, are you looking to generate the metadata? You're looking to generate the automatic business name and generation. We do not want to reduce that. We'll be able to do that later. And also it's asking me to do we looking to bring the data quality. I do not have the data qualities, but let's this option selected anyway. And then going next, and then I wanted to run as an on demand. I will be go ahead and run it next. I will be going and running this here, and thereafter I will be going and clicking on create, and we'll wait for it to get created. And once it's done created, I will be going and showcasing. I'm expecting to see how this gonna work. So let's wait for. I will pause the video and see, and I will come back once it's done getting created. Okay, so you're back. So if you see here, we got this error message. I have created a video how you can able to tag this database, but let me show you here as well. So we will be looking to a CI command, and we're looking to make a tag. So we will be looking to add this tag to the database, and here is our database name. Okay, I got the database name. You can go to any of this ID where you have your connectivity with your AWS account, and run this command from here. I will be going into Cloud Shell and running from there. So let me go and Cloud Shell, let the Cloud Shell come up, and then once we are in Cloud Shell, I will be simply go and execute this AWS Glue tag resources command. So here, this AWS Glue tag resources, this is your resource ARN. You have provided the resource ARN, and then you have to provide the tag like key and value. Key will be your Amazon Data Zone project, and the value will be the project ID right here. So we went ahead and executed this command, and thereafter we will be looking to validate this too as well. So let me put that get tag. So this will give us like, okay, what all tags are available, right? Once we are here, we have added this tag. Now let's go back to the see, we're able to see this tag is added. So now let's go back to your here, and then we'll go and let's go to the data source. So this is already got created, so I will be going and just simply going and executing. Here is cannot start, but that is ready to ready status, because again it should be, come on, it should be added. Let me see, next, save, updating this one here, wait for it, and then we go ahead. Okay, we'll wait for it to get updated, and then once done, we will be going and executing it. So I will pause my video once more time, and then come back once it's in ready state, because it's not showing it's in ready state. Only when we're able to run it when it's in ready state. So I will wait for it to get into ready state, and then go ahead and execute it. I will come back once it's in ready state. Cool. So I just ran this job again, and we'll see if it's completing or not, and if it's completing, how much data it's bringing, right? Is how many tables are it's bringing. So I will wait for it to get it done, and here it's still refreshing. It's trying to bring the data. Oh, I forgot. It's let it run, and then I will show you how we can able to fix that other issues as well. So I will wait for it to complete and see if how many tables it's bringing. Okay, I will pause it, and once I will come back once this is done running. Okay, so I ran it, and I see there is no table added. Let me tell you why. Because we have this lake formation enabled. So what I need to do is I have to go and get the ARN of this this one here, this role. So I got the ARN of the role here. I will be going and granting through the access to the lake formation. Once I'm done granting access to the lake formation, then I will be able to get it. So I will be going to the lake formation here, databases, self-service, and then we'll go ahead and grant it. So luckily, I was able to show you this part too. So we'll be going, granting, and I will be having all tables. You can have the select and describes, which is there, and then go ahead and grant access. Now we'll go back and to our data source here, and we'll go back and run it again. Let me run and see. Yeah. Cool. So you see here, now I got all the tables. So if I want to do a if you can see here, I will have this data set. Now if I'm looking to do and go and query this one, I can able to go and do a query using Athena or Redshift. So I will be going and querying this using the Athena, and we'll go ahead and execute the query. I got my data set. Cool. So see here, this is how you're able to bring your existing tables within the in your SageMaker Unified Studio, existing Glue database in SageMaker Unified Studio. With that, I will in the next video I will show you how you can able to bring your existing Redshift data to Unified Studio. Okay, so with that, if you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and share within your friends. Thank you very much.